Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this anti-inflammatory beverage packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So this is the pineapple I'm gonna be using. So I'll go ahead to wash this thoroughly because I'm gonna be using the pineapple peel. So I went ahead to add in salt inside the water to wash it. You can go ahead to add in vinegar, okay, anything that will make the peel to be clean. And I'll go ahead to peel the pineapple. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So after peeling the pineapple, I wasn't able to use it immediately, so I refrigerated. So this is coming out from my freezer. So I'll go ahead to add in water. I'm going to be enhancing this tea by adding in some spices. So I'm going to be using ginger. So I've washed it. I'll go ahead to grate it. You can go ahead to chop it. Okay, that will still be fine. So I'll go ahead to add in garlic and I'm going to grate that too so I can get the flavor out.
On your screen for free. From grandma's pot to something new. Spicy, rich and fresh for you.
So I'll add in some cloves. You can go ahead to add in cinnamon, turmeric. I'm going to cover this to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. You can cook this for a long time if you want the flavor to be very strong. Okay, so I'll stir everything together to combine and I'll turn off the heat and allow this to cook for a bit. So after cooking, you allow for some minutes. Go ahead to strain it and serve it hot or cold. And this is my final look. This was good. So I'll go ahead to add in honey. You can drink it like that, but I'll be adding honey to it. And this was so refreshing. I love you to try this and let me know what you think about it. And I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.